Hi, happy friends! We have 10 surprise boxes over here. Let's open them all and see what's inside. We are going to learn counting from 1 to 10 in this fun activity and many words. The first box is box number 1. It's color red. Let's open the lid. How many dots do you see here? I see one. One dot. Let's see what's inside the box. Wow, look! It's a red car. Next is box number 2. Its color orange. How many dots do you see here? I see 1, 2. 2 dots. Let's see what's inside the box. A blue backpack to put your stuff in. It's empty right now. And a water bottle. It's very important to stay hydrated and drink lots of water. Next, we have box number 3. Its color yellow. Let's open the box. How many dots do you see here? I see 1, 2, 3. 3 dots. What do you think is inside the box? We have a telescope to look at the planets and stars far away in the sky. And a camera. We take pictures with camera. The next one is box number 4. Its color light green. Let's open the box. How many dots do you see this time? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots. Let's see what's inside the box. It's a farm harvest tractor, a farm vehicle. It's also color green. Next is box number 5. Its color dark green. Alright, how many dots do you see this time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots. Great job. What's inside the box? Wow! A little cell phone? A toaster. And a dice. I see number 1, number 2, and number 3 on the dice. Do we have number 4 here? Nope, I don't think so. But we do have a raindrop and the sun. Next, we have box number 6. It's color turquoise. Let's open it. How many dots do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 dots. What's inside the box, by the way? Wow, it's a cute dinosaur. Next, we have box number 7. Its color light blue. Let's open it. Let's count the number of the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 dots. What's inside the box? Wow, it's a cute little headset. We also have a little sunglasses. It's cute. We also have a cute teddy bear. It's color purple. We also have a toothpaste and a toothbrush. So we put some toothpaste on the brush and brush our teeth. Next is box number 8. It's colored dark blue. Let's open this box. Can you count the number of the dots with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 dots. Let's see what's inside this box. It's a cute little puppy. It's a dog. Next is box number 9. It's color purple. Let's open it. How many dots do you see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 dots. What's inside the box? There's a penguin, and a little turtle, sea turtle. And then finally we have box number 10. It's color pink. Let's open it. Can you count the number of the dots with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 dots. Let's see what surprise comes out of this box. We have a cupcake, a pink one. And a pair of sneakers. These are running shoes. Very cute. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please ask your grown-up to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye.